Good morning, students. Welcome back to your computer class. Today, we are going to discuss about the question answers of Chapter 8 Introduction to MS Access. As we have already completed the chapter, the topics are discussed, whatever given in this chapter. So today we will go for the exercise and question answers also. This is chapter 8. Okay. So let's coming to the textbook. Just let me write up the name. Okay, it's all done. So here you can see the exercise is there. So the first is tick the correct answer. The software that helps to enter and organize database is called. So there are different types of softwares like Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, but MS Access helps you to enter and organize data in database. So you can take a pen over here and put a tick mark. This is the answer, MS Access. Next one is that a row in a table that contains information is called. तो रो जो टेबल में है उसमें क्या रहता है? Contains information about what? So you all know that it contains record and columns contain fields. A dialog box that prompts for field entries is known as. Field entries की जो dialog box पॉपअप होता है, तो अभी मैंने जस्ट बोला कि फील्ड्स जो हैं वो कॉलम्स में रहती हैं, तो यहाँ पे है कि नोन एज डेटा शीट, फील्ड और forms. What is there to solve? So now the question is, what happened to this? Wait, there was a little bit error, so once again I am just putting it MS Excel, then records. Dialog box that prompts for field entries is known as, that is form. The combination of data from multiple related tables into a single sheet. Okay, so it is a combination of data from multiple related tables, okay, into a single sheet. It takes all the data into a single sheet. So what is that? Your reports. Okay, you can see to it also. You can just go above and see to it. I think it's not written over here. Okay, wait. Let me show you also in the chapter. Here you can see database consists of collection of tables organized in rows and columns. A record is a row table that contain information about a given person, product or event. Field is a column in a table that contains specific information. Now each table appears as a spreadsheet called data sheet. Okay, and you can type in data, you can create forms which are dialog boxes, prompt fields. So you have seen. Now here filter and queries. So reports present data from tables and queries in a data format complete with titles. Okay, so I think it's query. Okay, yeah, it's query. So the answer will be your query instead of reports. I must erase this one. Okay, query is the answer. Why it is not working? Okay, like this. Okay, the bar that displays information about the current object or view is called. So which bar shows? Its status bar. Or you can also say a record selector can show. Okay, so let's see whether it's a record selector or a status bar. So just we are going above where it has been described about the whole page. Okay, about each field. A record selector displays the current record number of navigates to other record, and there's a display information about the current object or view. So see the difference. It shows the record number, but it shows the current object or view. And the question is asked current object or view. So status bar. Okay. I hope you all are getting. MS Access is a database program. Yes, it's a database program. True. Rows in a table is represented as a record. True. Because columns are the fields. So queries are columns in a table. No, queries are not a column in a table. Okay. The extension of all databases files is exe. No, not, because it is the extension is ACCDB. All database objects are listed in navigation pane. Yes, you can say that. True. Okay, I am erasing this one. Okay, so here we'll write true. Chalo. Now next, question number 3, write short notes on. Okay, so when we are writing short notes, table, field, record, database, so we just take the notepad, it has asked about the table, so write table over here. So table, you can define that in MS Access. A database consists of a tables organized in rows and columns. Okay, next is your field field. You can define your field as a field is a column in a table, contains a specific piece of information within a record. Okay, and it is the unit data or smallest unit of data in a database. Third is your record. So you can write about record also. A record is a row in a table that contains information about a given person, product or event. event. Okay, and last is your database itself. So write about database that a database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows easy access, retrieval and use of the data. Now fourth question, first part. What is MS Access? The first question is that. So you can write Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a powerful database program for creating databases to store information. Okay, next we can use MS Access to create retrieve and manage large or small collection of information. Next question, how will you create a database using template? So we can create a new database using a template which includes pre-built tables. प्री-बिल्ट मतलब पहले से बने हुए जो टेबल्स हैं एंड फॉर्म्स दैट वी कैन यूज टू फिल आवर ओन data very easily. Okay, this much is, I think, answer is suitable. Now third, define relational database. So MS Access creates a relational database, okay, that contain multiple tables with links between them. Okay, for example, we can make one table for customers and that will store customers contact information information and another table for orders that will store information about the order placed. Okay. Now last and fourth question is your, what is the use of navigation pane? What is the use of navigation pane? The navigation pane displays databases objects that we create, such as tables, forms, queries, इनके बीच में कॉमा भी है, ओके, forms, queries and reports. Okay, so these are the 4 question answers, okay, of the chapter. Now there is one application based question also, that Ankita has been asked to create a database table in Access containing field name, section, roll number and marks, but he is unable to create the database. So can you help him to do so? Yes. So what we can do is that application based question, this can also come in your examination, okay, so please be prepared for that. So what Ankit has to do, Ankit create a new database. New database and fill data in it. The next, Access prompts you to assign a name to the file when you create a new database file. Okay, so first of all, start MS Access. The next, first point is that click on the blank database option. Next point is that type name for the database. Third is that click on create. Okay, so by this way you can create, and this will help Ankit, because in this Access creates a new blank database and opens a new table, and the name of the database appears in the table bar. So now Ankit can create his own table by entering fields like name, section, roll number, marks, records in it. So hope you have got all the question answers related to the chapter. So stay safe and healthy. Have a nice day.